These types of videos are going viral very quickly these days. Simple AI micro ASMR videos are getting thousands of views, and creators are earning thousands of dollars from them. Let me show you the complete process step by step. First, open ChatGPT and type AI micro ASMR ideas in the search bar. You'll get many different story ideas. Choose any idea that looks interesting and visually appealing. After selecting an idea, paste it back into ChatGPT and ask, "Give me the best image prompt and video prompt for this idea." Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed image prompt and a cinematic video prompt for you. Copy the image prompt. Now it's time to create the image. Open Google Gemini and paste the image prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Click Send, and Gemini will generate a high-quality image for you. Download the image. Next, you need to convert the image into a video. For this, we'll use the YT Create application. Open YT Create and click on Generate Video. Then click Upload Image and upload the image you created with Gemini. Now copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into YT Create. After that, click Send.
A few moments later.
That's it. Your video is now ready. Download it and upload it to your favorite platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.